At ASEA, we've cracked the code on how to revitalize these life-giving signals. With over 15 years at the forefront of cellular health, multiple patents, and numerous trade secrets, our proprietary technology unlocks your body's own cellular communication. Renowned health and medical professionals consider our cell signaling technology to be one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of our time. Independent research confirms our products dramatically boost antioxidant signals by up to 60% and enhance cellular health and protection. Our flagship products are made with ingredients that are native to the body, and they're precision engineered to be unmatched in bioavailability, so they deliver exactly what your body needs, exactly where it's needed most. We invite you to join the growing number of people around the world who have discovered a way to lead a more vibrant, energetic life. With millions of bottles of cell signaling supplement and Renew 28 gel sold worldwide, the results are clear.